Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Fisker. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 2, 2024, our system has identified Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.50. Now, let's examine how the stock performed during this period. The stock faced a significant loss of -31.90%. This means that on average, it experienced a daily loss of -4.56% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in a falling trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react towards the lower part of the trend in the near future. However, a break above the top trend line at $1.13 could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -82.77% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -100% and -82.38%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected -49.16% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -46.93% and 115.4%. This translates to a price range of $0.589 to $2.39 after 1 year. Our latest update on Fisker brings to light a significant development. The stock price of Fisker experienced a decline of more than 7.5% on Wednesday, closing at $1.11. On the previous trading day, Wednesday, January 10, 2024, the Fisker stock price dropped from $1.20 to $1.11, representing a decrease of 7.5%. Throughout the day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 10%, with a low of $1.10 and a high of $1.21. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 23.45%. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased by 8 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This might indicate an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 29 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $31.83 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $8.67, while the lowest price was $1.10. At present, the stock price is 87.19% lower than the 52-week high, equating to a difference of $7.56. Moreover, it is 96.53% lower than the all-time high recorded on March 2, 2021, when the price peaked at $31.96. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham gave FSR a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James also gave FSR a market perform grade with a hold action. However, on Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a sell grade but with an upgrade action. Going back to November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI gave FSR an outperform grade with an initialize action. And on November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley provided FSR with an equal weight grade and a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock a neutral rating overall. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as also a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Fisker. Let's start with the positive news. There is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). This indicates a potential upward trend in the near future. However, there are also some negative signals that we need to consider. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows that the long-term average is currently above the short-term average, further supporting the sell signal. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upward, there will be resistance at the $1.35 and $1.60 levels. Breaking above these levels could trigger buy signals. On Friday, December 29, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -36.57%. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices recently, which could be an early warning sign. We should keep a close eye on the stock for further developments. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal 84 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal 60 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker, a popular stock in the market. Let's start with support. Currently, there is no accumulated volume below today's level to support the stock. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may experience a significant decline in the next couple of days. Moving on to risk, this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. It has the potential to move significantly during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. To put the volatility into perspective, in the last day alone, the stock moved $0.110 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 10% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.76%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Fisker, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at $0.200. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing day trading levels for Fisker. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $1.20. If you're considering entering a position but don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level. On the other hand, if you already hold Fisker shares, this could be a potential level for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't a significant support level indicated by accumulated volume below the current price. This means that the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're not an experienced trader who knows how to handle such situations, it's advisable to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you have the necessary expertise. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analysts is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 5, 2024, Hickson Mark E made an insider purchase of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Zuckley Mitchell made an insider purchase of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, McDermott William R. made an insider purchase of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Gruel Wendy J. made an insider purchase of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, What Nadine I made an insider purchase of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be minus 9.115, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 2,733,778 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares within the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and haven't set a stop loss. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Fisker stock currently shows several negative signals and is currently in a declining trend. Based on this, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Thursday, January 11th, we expect Fisker to open up at $1.14, representing a $0.0300 increase. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our aim is to help you become a successful trader. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.